friends, this is Kat with Keep Your Twin Up. I'm going to do another quick unboxing video for you today while I have my stuff out here from another award from my Pampered Chef party that I hosted, the ice cream maker. Comes with a little directional booklet. Basic vanilla ice cream recipe. Hi Jazzy. Jazzy's here to join us today. My doggy. Jazz, come on. She just took off with my box. Jazzy. So here's your, come on girl. Here's your base pot. Okay. So here's your lid. And it pops in there like that. It came with this little silicone ice cream maker lid, just a stretch lid you can fit over your bowl. When it's done cooking. That way you can store it in the freezer with a sealed lid. That's pretty cool. I like the way it looks too. It's sleek. So I'm gonna plug this in real quick. Looks like a pretty easy to use. Or your power button, timer. You set it to how many minutes. This is supposed to be a pretty quick deal here. Looks like you're supposed to prepare your ice cream or sorbet mix and let it cool in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before using it. And it can take up to 40 minutes. Most recipes will be ready in less time. And then this basic vanilla ice cream recipe that they included, it says set the timer for 20 minutes. So that's pretty cool. And then at the beginning it says place the bowl of the ice cream maker into the freezer on the coldest setting for at least 24 hours. So you're going to want to prepare ahead of time when you use this so that you can have this cold and prepped before you start making your ice cream. Well, that was just a quick unboxing of the Pampered Chef ice cream maker and the lid it came with. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for future videos where I'll show you how to make different kinds of ice cream in the ice cream maker. Have a blessed day.